Good day. My name is Mbali Seyisana and I am from the University of the Western Cape and I am the MKSM National Convener. Mbali is a leader. Mbali is a person that seeks to just always develop themselves, always occupy space and redefine the status quo that women or females can't occupy such spaces. So I am in existence to just showcase to the others that it is possible. I'm bringing my eagerness to learn. I'm bringing accountability. I'm bringing an open door for other leaders that too will be appointed to be able to work with us. I'm bringing that unity and that voice to be able to communicate and easily speak or define the constitution of the MK and also the MKSM constitution that will be established. Students need to be involved in matters pertaining to students. So why would you not want to join a student movement if you know that there are so many issues existing pertaining to students, such as NSFAS, accommodation, exclusions, registrations? Joining student movement will mean that you'll be at the forefront at solving your issues and also solving other people's issues. So you will be at the center of helping others and helping yourself. We were given a mandate that by next week, we need to submit a draft of the MKSM constitution. So that will be our focus. And I also think our next focus would be just engaging with the existing or other leaders within the different branches and space provinces to see that for possible establishment of the branches within all institutions of national higher learning.